Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Epic Knowledge. In the previous tutorial, we added the product data from the admin dashboard. Now in this tutorial, we are going to show all the product that we added in the table. We'll show all those product data in the admin dashboard. Here you can see show product. If we click on the show product, then it will take us to another page where it will show all the data from this product table. So first of all, we need to do is that if we click the show product option, then it will take us to another page. So for it, let's go back to our code and we'll directly go to our views, then admin, and inside admin here you can see sidebar.blade.php. So here is all the sidebar. You can see dashboard, product, add product, and here you can see show product over here, which is actually this one. Here you can see show product. So what we are going to do is that we'll write a URL in this href. So let me just write it properly like this so that it's easily readable. So here you can see we have a href in this anchor tag show product. So here in the href we'll give 2 second bracket, then inside it we'll say URL, we'll give 2 first bracket, 2 single quotation, and inside it we are going to mention a URL. So let's say here show underscore product. So let's save it, Control S, and right now we'll go to our web.php and create this URL. So let's go to our route, then web.php, and here let me just copy this route, Control C, and we'll paste it here, Control V. The route will be get, and here instead of view underscore product we are going to say over here show product. So let me just copy it from here, Control C, and here we'll just paste it over here, and the function name in the admin controller, let's say it will be show product as well. You can give any name, the function name, but it will be easier to remember. Okay, so let's save it. Right now we'll go to our admin controller and create this show product function. So let's go to our admin controller, we'll go to app, then http, then controller, and here you can see admin controller. So we'll just directly go down and we'll just simply return a view from here. So we'll say over here public function show underscore product, we'll give 2 first bracket, then we'll give 2 second bracket, and inside it we'll just say over here return view, and we'll say over here we'll give 2 single quotation and we'll say admin dot let's say show underscore product. Our blade name will be show underscore product as well. So here you can see this admin is will be our folder name, which is this on admin folder, and we need to create a blade show underscore product in this admin folder. So for it we'll just right click over here on the admin, then click new file, and here we'll just say show underscore product dot blade dot php. So Control S and then save. So here you can see show underscore product dot blade dot php. So here we are just going to write a simple HTML tag, and here in the body we'll just say here show product, let's say here each on tag, and we'll say show product. So right now let's save it. So right now here you can see in the sidebar we mentioned this URL show underscore product. So over here if someone click on this show product button, then it will call this URL in the web.php, and here you can see then after that it will call this function in the admin controller, and our admin controller this function will just simply return a view admin.showProduct, which is this one. So let's save it and let's just refresh here, and here you can see show product. If I click on the show product, here you can see it's written over here show product. So what we are going to do first is that if we click on the show product option, then it will return us a view similar to this. So for it, let's go back to our code again. Then we'll go to our admin folder. Then here you can see home.blade.php. So from here we are going to copy everything. So Control A, then Control C. Then we'll go to our show underscore product.blade.php, and let me just remove everything from here. Then we'll just say over here Control V. And here you can see include admin.body. We are going to remove this part admin.body. So right now if we save it, then if we refresh here, then if we click on the show product option, here you can see it's returning us a view like this. So right now we are going to make some design for this page. So let's go back, and this time we'll go to our admin folder, then we'll go to our product.blade.php, and here you can see two div over here. You can see div class main hyphen panel and div class content wrapper. So I'm just going to copy those two div, Control C, and we'll paste it in the showproduct.blade.php after this header part. So Control V, and we also need to in this two div. We'll just write it like this. So let's save it. Then let's just refresh here. And here you can see it looks different than before. There is a line over here and here. So right now, first of all, we are going to create a table over here so that we can show all the data from the product table over here. So let's go back, and here we are going to create a table. So for creating table, we need to use the table tag here, and inside this table tag, we are going to mention tr. Tr means table row. So first of all, we'll have the table header. So we'll say th means table header. So in the product table, let me just check how many data we have. We have title, description, image, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have total 7 data over here. So let me just copy this th and we'll paste it 6 times. So the total number will be 7. So here in the first th table header, we'll say here product title. Then here we'll say description. In the third one, we'll say quantity. Then we'll say here category. Then this one will be price. This one will be discount price. Let's say discount price. And the last one will be the product image. So right now, if we save it, then if we now refresh here, you can see something like this. So let's just add a demo data for this table. Then we'll change the design for this table. So here for adding a demo data, we need to mention another tr, and for table data we need to say td. Td means table data. So let me just copy it and paste it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's just give some random title. Let's say here product title toy. Then here description good, quantity 10, category toy. Then price, let's say 300, discount price 280, and okay, let's just keep this image field empty. So let's save it. Then let's refresh here. So here this is how it looks right now. So we just did not give the product image. So here first of all, let's go and fix the design for this table. So first we'll have this table in the middle. So for it, let's go back, and here you can see the table. So inside this table we are going to mention a class. Let's say class name will be center. First of all, we on the table in the center. So here we'll now go at the top and we'll write a css for this class center. So here you can see the head section. So inside this head section, we are going to say style, and inside this style we are going to mention the center class here. So we'll say dot center, then we'll give 2 second bracket, then we'll say here margin, it will be auto, then we'll say here width, it will be 50%. So right now if we save it, then if we now refresh here you can see our table is in the middle. Now this doesn't look like a table because there is no line for the table. Actually there is a line, but the line color is also black and the background is also black. That's why you cannot see. So let's mention a line color, table line color for this. So for it, we are just going to say, we'll say over here border, let's say 2px solid, it will be white. So if we save it now, then if we now refresh here you can see there is a border over here. Now let's just create some gap over here, and let's also have this table data in the middle for every table header. So for it we'll say here text align, it will be center, then we'll say margin top, let's say 40px. So this will create some gap at the top. So if we save it now, then let's refresh again, and here you can see the table data is in the middle and there is some more gap at the top. So one more thing we'll do is that we'll just add a title over here, that product, all products or something like this. So let's go back to our code, and here we'll go down, and here you can see the table tag. So before this table tag, let me just mention a h2, let's say here all products. Let's save it, then let's refresh. Okay, here you can see all products. So we'll have this all product in the center, and also this font size will be bigger. So we'll just mention a class over here. We'll say class name will be font underscore size. Now we'll go at the top, and here in this style we'll mention dot font underscore size, we'll give 2 bracket. We'll say here text align, it will be center. Then we'll say here font size, let's say 40 px, and let's also say here padding top, or let's say 20 px. So let's save it, then let's refresh. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is that we'll show all the data from this product table over here. So that is actually really simple. So for it, first of all, we'll go to our admin controller.php. Here you can see we are returning this view, show product.bed.php, which is this one. So what we'll do is that we'll send the product table data from here to our admin.showproduct.blade.php. So we'll get the data from the product table and we'll send the product table data to our show underscore product.blade.php view. So for it, first of all, you need to make sure that you have added the model of the product at the top like this. Here you can see use app backslash models backslash product. So you need to add the product model at the top. Then you are ready to send the product data to the blade view. So here we are going to mention a variable. Let's say here $product equal to, we'll say the table name which was product, then we'll give double clone, we'll say all to first bracket. So this means we are trying to get all the data from the product table, and then we are storing those all those data to this product variable. Then here we'll just give a comma and we'll say here compact, and inside this compact we need to give 2 quotation and we'll say here product, and this product is this one without the $sign. So we are now sending the product data to this view. So all is left is to catch those data in the showproduct.blade.php. And here you can see that in the table we have a lot of data. So in order to show all those data, we need to use for each loop before this tr. Here you can see this tr is for the table data. So before this tr, we'll start a for each loop. We'll say here at the rate of for each, we'll give 2 first bracket and we'll say here $product as $product. And here you can see $product. This $product is actually this one. And we also need to in this for each loop. So this for each loop will start for before this tr tag and will end after this tr tag. We'll say here at the rate of int for each. So right now using this $product we'll be able to show all the data from the table. So here let me just show you the database, I mean the table. Here you can see table, here you can see the title is written over here like this. Then here you can see description, image, category, quantity, price and discount price like this. So here in order to show the title, all we have to do is that we need to give 2 bracket, and inside this 2 bracket we need to say here $product, this arrow sign, and here we are going to say title. So right now if we save it, then here you can see that we only mention the title for product title. So if we now save it, then if we now refresh over here, you can see we are able to get the product title over here perfectly. Here you can see shirt, toys for kids and necklace. Everything is coming from here. Here you can see shirt, toys for kids and necklace. So just like we get the title, we can also get the description, quantity and every other data. So let's just do it for all other product as well. So after title, we write over here description. So here, okay, let me just copy this one, Control C and Control V, and here we'll say description. And one more thing you need to make sure that here you can see description. This description should be exactly like you have in the table. So after description we have quantity. So here we'll say product, it will be quantity. Then we'll have the category part, we'll say here category. Then here we have the price, then we have the discount price. Okay, let me check how the spelling of the discount price, discount underscore price. So we'll say here discount underscore price, and the last one is image. Okay, we'll show it later, but let's just save it now and let's just refresh here. So here you can see all the data over here. Here you can see discount price. There is 2 data because for the necklace we do not have any discount price because I added this necklace, and here you can see discount price is null. So here, that's why there is no data for discount price. So here you can see product image. Now let's go and show the product image. So for it, showing image is actually really simple. Here you can see the TD tag. So inside this TD tag, we are going to mention the image tag for showing the image. So we'll say the image tag, and here you can see the source. So we need to mention the image source over here. First of all, let me just go to the admin controller, and here you can see we added the product from here, and we stored the product image in the product folder in the which is in the public folder. So if we go to our public folder, and inside this public folder, here you can see we have another folder called product, and inside this product folder we have all the product images. So in order to show the product images, all we have to do is that here you can see the search option. So here we need to mention this product folder over here. So we'll say over here slash product, then we'll give another slash, then we'll give 2 second bracket, then inside it we'll say dollar product, this arrow sign, then we'll say image. Now this image will come from the database over here image. So right now, if we save it, we should be able to see the product image. So let's just refresh here, and here you can see the product image over here perfectly. Now you can also notice that every product height and width is different. So we can fix that. That will be actually really simple. So for it, let's just mention a class in this image tag. Let's say here class, and we'll say here image underscore size, image underscore size. So we are going to write some css for this. So we'll go at the top, and here you can see style. So inside this style we are going to say dot img underscore size, and here we are going to mention the width and height for the image. Let's say width will be 200 px, then height will be, let's say, 200 px as well. Okay, let's make it 250 px. I think that will look better. Okay, now let's save it. Now let's refresh here. So this looks way worse than before. So let's just say over here 150 and 150, then refresh. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, let's fix one more thing, and that is here you can see this is the table header. Now we think that table header background color should be a little different, because then it will be easier for us to understand that this is the header part and this is the table data part. So let's go back, and we'll go a little down, and here you can see a tr for the table header part. So inside this tr, let's say a class, and we'll say here th underscore color. We'll just mention a color for the table header. So here in the style we'll say dot th underscore color, and here we'll say background, it will be, let's say, sky blue. Let's save, then refresh. Okay, so this now looks like a table. Now there is one more thing. You may notice that there is no gap between quantity, category and price. So what we are going to do is we'll add some design so that there is some gap. So here in the every th, we are going to mention a class. Let me just select every th, and here we are just going to mention class. Let's say the class name will be th underscore deg. It means design. So again we are going to write a css for this th underscore design. So here we'll say dot th underscore design deg, and we'll just say over here normal thing padding 30 px. So this should make our design look better, and there you go. Now it looks better than before, way better. So this is all for this tutorial. So in the next tutorial we'll have a delete option and update option for this product, so that the admin will be able to delete the product and also update the product data as well from here. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question you can let me know in the comment section, and I will actually really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.